Enterprise identity management requires orchestrating security operations at massive scale, coordinating access across thousands of users and endpoints globally. Looking at this breakdown, the Okta Admin Console provides the centralized management interface for identity operations. Assigning standard roles safely divides responsibilities. A help desk admin, for instance, is strictly scoped to tasks like resetting passwords. When roles remain too broad, delegated administration creates specific, granular assignments for exact needs. While strict role delegation secures manual configurations, a growing organization quickly outpaces manual clicks. Managing thousands of users requires a shift into dynamic, automated workflows. Moving down to Section 17.2, Okta Expression Language, or OEL, provides the syntax for that shift. It replaces static UI configuration with dynamic, rules-based control. You apply OEL to write logic for profile mappings, custom claims, complex group rules, and sign-on policies. This logic evaluates fixed user attributes alongside dynamic context. A policy can look at real-time device posture and active session state, process them together, and generate a customized claim on the fly. Once these automated rules are running, administrators need to monitor their exact impact. Section 17.3 details the system log and reporting tools. The log captures a comprehensive record of system activity. It tracks authentication events, automated provisioning actions, and any changes made by administrators. These raw events are then formatted into a continuous syslog stream and routed to external security information and event management platforms like Splunk or Datadog for immediate analysis. Running automated logic without active monitoring creates dangerous blind spots. Comprehensive, real-time logging feeding directly into external security monitors keeps automation visible and secure. Scale introduces friction. When millions of authentication requests or automated API calls hit the server simultaneously, the resulting traffic spike degrades system performance. As outlined in Section 17.4, Okta enforces API rate limiting to troubleshoot and manage these high-volume events. This restriction uses a dual-layer model. A per-endpoint limit caps traffic at a specific function, while a per-org limit tracks total volume. Preventing bottlenecks requires API best practices, pacing automated requests to flow cleanly through both limit dates. Consider a scenario. What two features must you use in sequence to dynamically assign users to a group based on HR changes and then successfully audit who created that rule? You write the dynamic group rule using Okta Expression Language and then audit the author via the system log. High-performance automation requires correctly applying these tools while respecting the platform's rate limits. Looking at Section 17.5, the Okta Identity Engine is the current generation platform, officially replacing the sunsetting Classic Engine. Classic Engine relied on static paths. Identity Engine replaces them with pipeline-based authentication, building a flexible, modular workflow reacting to contextual inputs. This event-driven structure supports advanced capabilities, allowing admins to plug in nodes for device assurance, FastPass, behavior detection, and identity threat protection. This visual summarizes the complete workflow for administrators: establish centralized control, build dynamic automation, ensure complete visibility, manage predictable scale, and enforce modern security. Mastering these 5 interconnected pillars elevates identity management from basic IT gatekeeping into a highly automated, future-proofed enterprise security engine.